Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can check your Windows version. So friend, here I'm going to share with you a very easy and simple steps to check Windows version. Okay, so how you can do that? So friend, simply here we are going to search system. Okay, so whenever you click on this system information, you simply click on it. And friend, here you will see this is my OS version, which is Windows 11 Pro. Okay, and this is the version numbers. By this way you can easily find out your Windows version. Now I'm going to share with you a second option to check your Windows version. Okay, so what you will do, simply right click on it on start button, and here you are going to simply click on this system. So friend, when you click on that place, and here scrolling down, and here you will see Windows 11 Pro version, and this is the version number. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily find out your Windows version. Okay, so friend, if this video help you, then please click on like button and comment me below what things you like into this video. And if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.